The day of the freedom of the birds.
Wild finches.
Tell them bye, Caleb.
Bye, guys. You guys gotta go.
You guys gotta move out.
Rent's due. Rent's overdue. You're all gone.
There he
Bye,
goes.
beautiful
There he
one.
goes.
Bye, beautiful.
Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah, that was righteous.
Yeah. Let the other guys go.
Wild finch.
Here, you want me to scooch him out and you film it?
Yeah. Scooch him out that side. Like go on the door and like just put your hand in and they'll. There you go.
Oh, look at him go.
Woo! Do the other one quick.
Go. Go. Go.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah. They're free. They don't know what to do though.
I know.
Shit.
They're gonna just like people are gonna see them like today.
Look, that one's over there.